If you have received the error message that states that your printer has come to the end of its service life or the waste ink pads are filled, we need to reset this using the WIC Reset utility. We first recommend opening the WIC Reset utility, clicking Supported Models across the top and typing in your printer's model in the search bar. We can then see if the printer is compatible with WIC and whether it will allow it to reset the waste inks and read the waste ink counter. If your printer is compatible, like this ET1810, we then recommend going to inkexperts.co.uk and purchasing the reset key for WIC and also either a maintenance box for your printer model or a waste ink container kit for converting a printer. You can check which models are compatible with maintenance boxes and with waste ink kits on our website. With that done, we can then get to resetting the printer. Open WIC and, as always, ensure that your printer is connected via USB when using the software. Select your printer from the list on the left, and then on the right hand side where we see waste counters, select Read Waste Counter. You'll see in our example that this printer is not close to clocking out on the waste counter yet, but if your model is displaying 100% in any of these counters and the text is in red, it needs resetting. We can close this window and then click Reset Waste Counter. To reset the waste counter, we'll need the reset key that you purchased on inkexperts. This will be emailed to you. Open your internet browser and go to your email client and open the inkexperts email. You'll find the reset key here. You can copy and paste this into WIC by clicking Ctrl and C on the highlighted text, minimizing your window, and then in WIC, where it says enter key into this field, press Ctrl and V, and this will paste the key in. With the key in this window, select OK, and this will start to reset the waste counter. When you get this message pop up, turn the printer off. Once the printer has been turned off, the reset is complete and you'll get this window appear. You can click Close and turn the printer back on. Once the printer is back on, you can select it from the left hand side in WIC again and select Read Waste Counters. You'll now see that all of your counters are at 0%. The reset is complete, and after fitting your waste ink kit or maintenance box, is ready to use again.